Welcome to the Speak Easy English Show.
We're here to help you speak English confidently.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English Show. If you're new here, hi, I'm Daniel. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you say very good for everything? Food? Very good. Work? Very good. Idea? Very good. It's correct, but it sounds basic. And when you use the same phrase again and again, your English doesn't grow. Today, we fix that. In this lesson, you will learn natural, real alternatives to very good. So you can sound more confident and more natural in conversations. And if you want to improve your English speaking step by step like this, don't forget to subscribe. We practice together here every day. Ready? Let's begin. Here is the plan. 1. Why very good is limited. 2. 10 natural alternatives. 3. Real-life situations. 4. A full conversation. 5. Understanding check. 6. Repeat after me, slow. 7. Repeat after me, natural speed. 8. Common mistakes. 9. Tone training. 10. Role play. 11. Fluency test. Take your time. You don't need to rush. Even one small improvement is perfect. Very good is correct English. But the problem is, it's too general. It doesn't show emotion, personality, or real reaction. Listen, this food is very good. Okay, but not expressive. This food is amazing. Much more natural. Another example. Your work is very good. Good job. Well done. Key idea. In real English, people don't repeat the same phrase. They use different expressions. So today, we upgrade your English. Repeat after me, slowly. 1. Great. Use general positive reaction. Example. That's great. Great work. Pause. 2. Nice. Use casual, friendly, nice. That's nice. Pause. 3. Awesome. Use strong excitement. Awesome. That's awesome. Pause. 4. That's really good. More natural than very good. That's really good. Pause. 5. Well done. Use achievement. Well done. You did it. Pause. 6. Good job. Use work tasks. Good job. Nice work. Pause. 7. That's perfect. Use exactly right. That's perfect. Pause. 8. That's amazing. Use strong reaction. That's amazing. Pause. 9. Sounds great. Use agreeing. Sounds great. Pause. 10. I love it. Use strong liking. I love it. Pause. Now, again, a little faster. Repeat full list. If these phrases already feel useful, make sure you're subscribed. Because every lesson builds your real speaking step by step. Now let's use these in real life. Repeat after me. Situation 1. Food. This food is amazing. I love it. Pause. Situation 2. Work. Good job. Well done. Pause. Situation 3. Idea. That's a great idea. That's perfect. Pause. Situation 4. Plan. Let's meet tomorrow. Sounds great. Pause. Situation 5. Clothes. Nice. That looks amazing. Pause. Situation 6. Result. That's really good. Awesome work. Pause. Situation 7. Small reaction. Nice. Great. Pause. Good. You are already sounding more natural. Now listen carefully, slow and clear. Daniel. Hey, I finally finished the project. Friend. Really? That's great. Daniel. Yes, it took a long time. Friend. Well done. That's not easy. Daniel. Do you want to see it? Friend. Of course. Daniel. Here it is. Friend. Wow, that's amazing. The design looks perfect. Daniel. Thank you. Friend. I love it. Seriously, great job. Daniel. I'm glad you like it. Friend. Let's show this to the team tomorrow. Daniel. Sounds great. Good. If you understood this conversation, that's real progress. Subscribe, because we'll keep improving step by step together. Quick questions. Answer out loud, if you can. 1. What did Daniel finish? Pause 2 sec. Yes, a project. 2. What was the first positive reaction? Pause. Right, that's great. 3. What phrase praised effort? Pause. Yes, well done. 4. What phrase showed a strong reaction? Pause. Correct, that's amazing. 5. What phrase showed strong personal liking? Pause. Yes, I love it. 6. What phrase agreed with the plan? Pause. Right, sounds great. 7. What phrase showed that something was exactly right? Pause. Yes, that's perfect. Very nice. And notice something important here. We did not use very good again and again. We used great, well done, amazing, perfect, I love it, sounds great. That is exactly how your English becomes more natural. And if this is helping you already, subscribe and keep learning with me step by step. Now, repeat after me, slowly. Focus on the feeling in each phrase. Ready? 1. Great. Pause 3 sec. Again. Pause. 2. Nice. Pause. Again. Pause. 3. Awesome. Pause. Again. Pause. 4. That's really good. Pause. Again. Pause. 5. Well done. Pause. Again. Pause. 6. Good job. Pause. Again. Pause. 7. That's perfect. Pause. Again. Pause. 8. That's amazing. Pause. Again. Pause. 9. Sounds great. Pause. Again. Pause. 10. I love it. Pause. Again. Pause. Good. Now let's do a second round. Still slow, but a little more natural. Repeat after me. That's great. Pause. Good job. Pause. Well done. Pause. That's amazing. Pause. I love it. Pause. Sounds great. Pause. That's perfect. Pause. Very good. Yes, I said very good there on purpose. Because sometimes it is okay. But for real reactions in conversation, these upgrades sound much better. You're speaking already, that's a big step. Stay consistent and subscribe so you don't miss your daily practice. Now, let's combine the phrases. This is where your English starts to sound real. Repeat after me. Chunk A. That's great. Good job. Pause. Again. Pause. Chunk B. Wow, that's amazing. Pause. Again. Pause. Chunk C. Nice. I love it. Pause. Again. Pause. Chunk D. That's perfect. Sounds great. Pause. Again, pause. Chunk E. You finished it? Well done. Pause. Again, pause. Chunk F. This looks amazing. I love it. Pause. Again, pause. Chunk G. That's a great idea. Sounds great. Pause. Again, pause. Chunk H. Good job. That's really good. Pause. Again, pause. Daniel. Nice. Now faster just a little. That's great. Good job. Wow, that's amazing. Nice. I love it. That's perfect. Sounds great. Pause. Very nice. This is exactly how native speakers mix short positive phrases naturally. Now, common mistakes. This section is very important because many learners know the meaning but still choose the less natural phrase. Let's fix that. Mistake 1. Very good. Great. Nice. Awesome. Daniel. If your friend shows you something small and casual, very good sounds too flat. Better. Great. Nice. Awesome. Repeat after me. Great. Pause. Nice. Pause. Awesome. Pause. Mistake 2. Very, very good. That's amazing. Daniel. When people are excited, they usually do not say very, very good. That sounds unnatural. Say, that's amazing. Pause. Again, that's amazing. Pause. Mistake 3. Very good idea. That's a great idea. Daniel. This is much more natural in conversation. Repeat. That's a great idea. Pause. Again. Pause. Mistake 4. Very good work. Good job. Well done. Daniel. If someone finishes a task, use praise that matches effort. Repeat. Good job. Pause. Well done. Pause. Mistake 5. Very good plan. Sounds great. Daniel. When someone suggests a plan, you do not need very good. You can say, sounds great. Pause. Again. Pause. Mistake 6. Very good. I like it. I love it. Daniel. If you really like something, this sounds stronger and more natural. Repeat. I love it. Pause. These are small upgrades, but they change your English a lot. Now, very important. These phrases are short, so your tone matters a lot. If your tone is flat, even a good phrase sounds weak. Listen carefully. 1. Flat tone. Great. That sounds bored. 2. Natural positive tone. Great. That sounds real. Repeat after me. Great. Pause. 3. Soft appreciation. That's really good. This is calm and warm. Repeat. That's really good. Pause. 4. Strong, excited reaction. That's amazing. This is stronger. Repeat. That's amazing. Pause. 5. Friendly, casual reaction. Nice. Short, easy, natural. Repeat. Nice. Pause. 6. Warm praise. Good job. This sounds supportive. Repeat. Good job. Pause. 7. Strong personal liking. I love it. This has energy. Repeat. I love it. Pause. Now listen to the difference. Flat. Nice. Natural. Nice. Flat. Good job. Encouraging. Good job. Flat. That's amazing. Real reaction. That's amazing. Again with feeling. Repeat after me. Great. Pause. That's amazing. Pause. Good job. Pause. I love it. Pause. Sounds great. Pause. Good. You do not just need better words. You also need the right energy. And that is what makes your English sound alive. Now it's your turn. Speak out loud. I'll give you the situation, and you answer. Situation 1. Your friend shows you a drawing. What do you say? Pause 6 sec. Possible answers. That's great. Nice. That's amazing. Situation 2. Your coworker finishes a task. What do you say? Pause 6 sec. Possible answers. Good job. Well done. Situation 3. Someone gives you a good idea. What do you say? Pause 6 sec. Possible answers. That's a great idea. Sounds great. Situation 4. Your friend shows you a new shirt. What do you say? Pause 6 sec. Possible answers. Nice. I love it. Situation 5. Someone makes a good plan. What do you say? Pause 6 sec. Possible answers. Sounds great. That's perfect. Situation 6. You really, really like something. What do you say? Pause 6 sec. Possible answers. That's amazing. I love it. Nice. Even short phrases sound powerful now. That's exactly the goal. Now, the fluency test. Speak for 45 to 60 seconds. Use this structure. React to something. Give praise. Show strong feeling. Agree with a plan. Here is your model. That's great. Good job. That's amazing. I love it. This looks perfect. Let's do it tomorrow. Sounds great. Now pause the video and speak for 45 to 60 seconds. Soft music. Great job. You're not just learning words now. You're learning how real English sounds. And if you're serious about improving your English speaking, subscribe now and do this fluency test with every lesson. Now write 4 to 6 sentences in the comments using these phrases. Here is an example. That's great. Good job. I love it. That's amazing. Sounds great. That's perfect. Try to use them in a mini conversation, not just one by one. That will help you remember them better. Subscribe for daily English speaking practice, and we'll keep improving together. Next episode. English at the doctor. See you next time. Bye.